To help make your next round of sprint planning extraordinary, we want to share our top 7 tips. They're especially geared towards Scrum Masters who serve as light facilitators for sprint planning meetings.
Our first tip, come prepared with a refined and ordered product backlog. Otherwise, you may end up using time reserved for sprint planning to do backlog refinement activities.
Next, to eliminate stress and surprises, we recommend sharing the product backlog with your team before sprint planning. With a visual canvas like Lucid, your team can add sticky notes and emojis to give advanced feedback, and the visual can be used as a single source of truth later on.
Tip 3, set realistic expectations with the product owner. Help them understand that sprint capacity isn't fixed and can vary based on multiple factors, not just the team's past performance. They should bring roughly 1.5 iterations worth of items to the event, so there are plenty of items to discuss and pull into the sprint.
It's really important to account for non-development activities to help the team create a more realistic plan. These activities can include meetings, trainings, or other organizational responsibilities.
Plus breaks for snacks and for stretching.
Always the snacks.
Tip 5, let the team own the sprint backlog. Unlike the practices of traditional project management, no one assigns tasks and backlog items. Not even you, Jessica.
Dang it!
Instead, team members should be looking at the sprint backlog and asking, is there a skill I want to build? Is there someone who's great at this task? How do we collectively want to get this done?
Now this is a big one. Help the team make realistic commitments. Undercommitting actually allows for flexibility. It's easier to pull in additional work mid-sprint than to remove committed items later. One strategy is asking the team to inspect yesterday's weather. Think of it this way. If it rained in Seattle yesterday, it'll probably rain today. The team looks at what they've accomplished in past sprints, then uses that data to decide what they can accomplish this time, adjusting the sprint goal and backlog accordingly.
Finally, create safety and trust in the meeting by setting the tone of transparency and open communication. No one should feel uncomfortable raising concerns, asking questions, or clarifying misunderstandings.
We hope these tips will help your team kick off the next sprint with greater clarity and improved outcomes. And we'll see you next time on All Access Agile.